Hands in front of the heart. Breathe here. Little sun salutation variations. So an inhale, reach up, open the chest. Exhale, forward bend. You can bend the knees always if you want. Inhale, long, flat back, open chest. Exhale, we're going to plant the hands and step into the top of a push-up. And we'll breathe here, 3 breaths. Getting some heat to build up in the body. Inhale, as you exhale, you drop the knees, chest, and chin. Hips are still up. Breathe here, drawing the shoulder blades back. So you can find length in the neck. On the next inhale, we glide the chest forward, relax the tops of the feet, Bhujangasana Cobra. Open chest. And we breathe here. If it feels good, you might want to shift your hips a little from side to side. One more inhale. On the next exhale, we go through tabletop. Tuck the toes, hips come up and back. Downward facing dog. Any down dog movements that you like. Hips swaying from side to side or pedaling the feet. Release the neck. We're going to walk our hands back towards the feet this time. So putting some weight in the hands, soft knees, forward bend. Take a couple breaths here. And drop the tail, roll up through the spine. Shoulders come up, back, and down. Hands in front of the heart, 2 breaths. Please. Inhale, reach up, open the chest. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, long, flat back, open heart. Exhale, we're going to walk our hands forward into the top of a push-up. 3 breaths in the plank. Length from the crown of the head out through the tail. Inhale. As you exhale, drop knees, chest, and chin to the mat. 3 breaths here. On the next inhale, gliding forward, relax the tops of the feet. Cobra. Long neck. Relax the shoulders down. Press shoulder blades back. Inhale. Exhale through tabletop. Tuck the toes, hips up and back. Downward facing dog. So we walk our feet towards our hands. Come into forward bend with soft knees. Relax the back of the neck. Breathe. Drop the tailbone and roll up through the spine, vertebra by vertebra. Shoulders come up, back, and down. And the hands in front of the heart. One more time. Breathing here. So one more cycle of Surya Namaskar, this weird little variation. Inhale, open up the chest. Exhale, forward bend. Take your time. Inhale, long flat back. Exhale, walking yourself back into it today. 3 breaths. Inhale, as you exhale, drop knees, chest and chin. 3 breaths, asana. And draw the shoulders back, and you make your neck feel long here. Inhaling, we slide the chest forward, relax the feet, Bhujangasana Cobra. Inhale, as you exhale, tuck the toes, hips up and back, downward facing dog. Moving downward dog, we're going to walk the hands back to meet the feet, putting some weight into the hands. Soften the knees down through the spine. Nice bent leg, forward bend. We're going to release the tension on the back of your neck. We drop the tail and roll up through the spine, and the shoulders come up, back, and down. 2 breaths with the hands in front of the heart. And we'll make our way through the series back to the front of the mat. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, flat. Exhale, walk to plank. 3 breaths, high plank. Inhale, as you exhale, knees, chest, chin, lengthen through the neck and breathe. Inhale, glide to Cobra. Breathe here. Try not to wear your shoulders as earrings. You press the shoulders down, lengthen the neck. Inhale, as you exhale through tabletop, tuck the toes, hips sail up and back, downward facing dog. On the next inhale, we walk the feet towards the hands this time, coming through flat back. Exhale, forward bend. Drop the tail and roll up through the spine. Shoulders come up, back, and down.